Today we'll be installing the UserWay widget on a Wix website, which is a simple but powerful tool that helps make your website easier to use for people with disabilities. If you're not familiar with UserWay, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step, no tech skills needed. There are actually two different ways that you can install this widget. If you're new to UserWay, the easiest method is through the Wix app market, which lets you install it with just a few clicks. But if you've already signed up for a UserWay account, you'll need to install it manually using a custom code snippet. No matter which method you use, I'll walk you through everything. And by the end of this video, your site will be much more accessible and you'll be on your way to much better compliance with accessibility laws like ADA, which is Americans with Disabilities Act, and WCAG, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. So let's jump in. Why website accessibility matters. Now, before we get into the installation, let's take a quick second to talk about why accessibility is important. Most of us don't think twice about browsing a website, clicking around, and reading content. But for millions of people, that's not so simple. Some visitors might rely on screen readers because they have visual impairments. Others might not be able to use a mouse and navigate using a keyboard instead. Some people might have trouble reading small text or struggle with low contrast between colors. If a website isn't designed with these challenges in mind, a huge number of people might not be able to use it properly. Let's be real. If someone can't easily use your website, they're probably gonna leave and never come back. That's where UserWay comes in. Their widget makes websites easier to use by adding features like text resizing, so visitors can make text bigger without zooming the whole page, color contrast adjustments, which help people with visual impairments see contrast more clearly, keyboard navigation improvements for those who can't use a mouse, and screen reader support so text is easier to understand for those using assistive technology. And beyond just helping people, there's a legal side to this too. ADA laws for inaccessible websites are becoming more common, and businesses have been fined for failing to make their sites accessible. Installing the UserWay widget is a great first step toward making your site more inclusive and reducing your risk. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Method 1, installing the UserWay widget via the Wix app market. So if you're new to UserWay and you haven't signed up yet, the best way to get started is by clicking the link down in the description below. Now, this helps support the channel, but it also ensures that you're signing up through the correct page. Plus, you'll be able to install the widget in just a few clicks, no coding required. Step 1, sign up for UserWay using the link down in the description below. Now, before installing the widget, you'll first need to sign up for UserWay using the link down in the description below. So just click the UserWay link that we've provided in the description. That'll bring you to the UserWay registration page. Click on Start Free Trial. Just enter your email address and follow the steps to set up your account. Once you've completed the sign up process, UserWay will provide you with an account dashboard where you can manage your accessibility settings. After signing up, you're ready to install the UserWay widget on your Wix website. Step 2, find the UserWay app in the Wix app market. Now, once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see the Apps tab and go ahead and click on it. At the top right of the page, you'll see a button that says Get More Apps. And from here, we'll click on that to open the Wix app market. In the search bar, type in UserWay and press enter. You should see the UserWay accessibility widget pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open the app page. From here, you'll move on to installing and enabling the widget, which we'll cover in the next step. Step 2, installing the widget. So now that you've found the UserWay app, you just need to click to install it. Click the big Add to Site button and a window will pop up asking if you're sure. Just click Add to Site again and Wix will take care of the installation for you. After the app finishes installing, scroll down to find the UserWay widget settings and make sure the toggle switch is turned on. If it's already on, great. If not, go ahead and turn it on. Step 3, publish and customize. At this point, the UserWay widget is technically installed, but you'll need to publish your website to make the changes live. So go ahead and hit publish on Wix. Then open your site in a new tab to make sure the UserWay button appears. You can also customize the widget to better match your site's design. You'll find the customization option in the Wix widget settings or by logging into the UserWay management console. Here you can change colors, positioning, and other settings to fit your brand. And that's it. If you've used the Wix app market before, you're all set. But what if you already have a UserWay account and you need to install it manually? Well, let's go over that now. Method 2, manually installing the UserWay widget on Wix. If you already signed up for UserWay before, you shouldn't install it through the Wix app market. Instead, you'll need to add it manually by pasting a unique code snippet into your Wix settings. Step 1, get your unique code snippet. Now in the dashboard, go ahead, look at the top left-hand menu and find the section that says Embed Code. Click on that and you'll see your unique UserWay code snippet. Copy this code. So this is what you'll need to install the widget. If you've registered before but lost your code, check your welcome email from UserWay. It should be in there as well. Step 2, adding the code to your Wix site. Now let's head back to your Wix dashboard. Look at the left menu and click on Settings. We'll scroll down until you see a section called Advanced and then click on Custom Code. A new page will open, and in the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Add Custom Code. Go ahead and click on it. When the pop-up window appears, go ahead and paste your UserWay code snippet in the text field. In the name field, you can go ahead and type UserWay so you can recognize it later. And make sure that the Add Code to All Pages options is selected. Select Place Code in Head, and this makes sure that it loads properly. Scroll up and choose Essential as the code type. Click Apply, and you're done. Step 3, preview and publish. Now, all you need to do is preview your website to make sure that the UserWay widget is showing up. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit publish to make the changes live. Call to action. Why you should choose UserWay. So if you're serious about making your website accessible, UserWay is one of the best tools out there. Not only is it easy to install, but it also provides a ton of customization options to fit the needs of your site. Whether you're running a small personal blog or a large e-commerce platform, UserWay helps ensure that everyone can navigate your content without barriers. The free version of the widget already offers a lot of accessibility improvements, but if you're looking for more advanced features, upgrading to the AI-powered UserWay Pro widget can take your site to the next level. The Pro version includes automated compliance scanning, AI-driven accessibility fixes, and a higher level of customization, ensuring that your website meets ADA and WCAG guidelines. At the end of the day, making your website more accessible isn't just about following the rules. It's about creating a better experience for everyone. And with UserWay, it's never been easier to do just that. So don't wait. Get started with the UserWay today and make your website a place where everyone feels welcome. So that's it. You now know the 2 different ways to install the UserWay widget on your Wix website. Making your website more accessible isn't just good for users, good for your website too. When people can actually navigate your site, they can stay longer, interact more, and they're more likely to return. Plus, you avoid any legal headaches that might come with non-compliant websites. Now, if you want to get started with UserWay, we'll have a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.